Afternoon, YouTube. If I remember correctly, my lawnmower videos are some of my more popular ones, so we'll be doing a little yard work, I think, even though it's still freezing out here. But this is a 2019, I think. Yeah, 2019 Cub Cadet with the Kohler. Figured hasn't moved or ran since, I want to say, late October, early November. It is February right now. It's got gas in it. I figured, let's see if she starts. Let's see if she'll crank over first off. We'll give her some choke. Well, she'll go. Choke.